So hello guys, welcome to Bidas Tech. In this quick tutorial, I will show you a step-by-step how to identify meme coin, how to buy good meme coin, and as you can see, meme coin is one of the most rewarding and one of the most dangerous that is very risky in the industry of cryptocurrency. So if you are lucky, one meme coin can actually change your life. With just $1 you can be able to cash out not less than $1,000 and above. So this is not a financial advice, this is just for educational purpose. So in this video I will walk you through step by step how to audit, how we analyze before we carry out any transaction on our meme coin. So let me quickly take you to my desk screen now so that we get started. So as you can see, I am currently on my desk screener, and desk screener is one of the platform where we get the meme coin that's being launched. So kindly know that the meme coin, they launch over up to 10,000 meme coin in daily basis. So you need to be very careful before you carry out any transaction on meme coin, because one transaction can run, and one transaction can once a successful transaction will make you smile. So currently now, let's say this the first one we are seeing here, fab, was launched 12 hours ago, and currently it has, in 24 hours it has done of almost 445%. Let's say you put your $1 times that's 445%, you should be able to do your calculation. And the second one we have track, in 24 hours it has done 34%, and it was launched 3 hours ago. So let's check this chip. This chip actually made us money yesterday, but I don't know what's wrong with the market. But in last 1 hour it has done 44%. And look at this AIOS, just look at it, it has done 26,000% in last 24 hours, and it was launched 20 hours ago. So let's quickly carry research about this coin. So you click on the coin you want to carry out research on. So once the coin open, look at the market cap. The market cap is 37 million. Wow. And the FDV of 37 million as well, and the liquidity locked about also 1 million. Wow. How come I did not see this coin on time? So this is 20, it was created 20 hours ago, and as you can see, look at it, the community here, the audits, the desk screener also carry out their audits, and it's not mintable, it's not freezable. So meaning that you can buy your assets and also do whatever you want to do with your assets. It can't be freeze. So the here is to the moon. We have 132 fire, we have 11 sheet, we have 10 red flag, we have just 38. So these are some of the it that you need to look out. And also you check their website, you check their Twitter. So these are one of the things we always look at before we carry out any transaction on MemeCoin. So let's quickly check their Twitter and see. So look at their Twitter. So this is their Twitter, and currently they have over 4,000 followers. As you can see, this is the community. I am not saying that over 20 hours ago. Look at it, the community is very active. Just take a look at it. How comes I did not see this on time? So this is just it. You check their Twitter and you check the Telegram if they have, and you also check their website. And also, if you are very interested in going out, if you are a newbie and also want to trade with us, we also have the long run that we also, you can follow us on our Twitter. This is our Twitter. You can follow us. We update. Look at, I actually put this 6 hours ago, and you can see it. We also give free signal. You can also come to our Telegram. So we really appreciate you so much. So after checking their Twitter and you are satisfied, you go ahead and check some comments and whatever they are doing there. You copied your address and go to this platform. Let's first go to Telegram. Let me take you to the Telegram first. So this is Telegram. I will paste this on this TTF bot. Then I'll send it. As you can see, this is the Telegram, and is telling me that pump fund token. The name is Real iOS Foundation. The pump fund token look clean to me. The Telegram bot is telling me that it's look clean to him or her. I don't know. So the peer and the developer contract, the developer address, and the owner reannounced. Look at it. This is a good news. If you see any coin that the developer has renounced, and if you want to, the meaning of renounce mean that developer has forfeit, meaning that developer doesn't have any rights or any restriction on the coin, that developer cannot rug pull or sell the asset. He has already forfeit it, so he has added over to community. And the age of the coin is 20 hours ago. Solana mintable, no. If you see this mintable, yes, don't buy. It's a red flag, but this one, no. One. And also the market cap is 35 million. Wow, this is very great. If I knew that I knew this coin, I would have pump but so just take a look at it. And we have orders, top orders over 70%. Wow. Okay, 10 orders. This is little red flag to me, but let's just go ahead. Since the market cap, as you can see, look at it. Look at the one we bought, and look at the one I bought yesterday, and also. So let me take you to the second website to check. So this is the second website where I check, and it's actually rockcheck.xyz, and I paste the address. What is this telling me? Okay, look at it. Look at it. It's a danger. So, and let me tell you this now. Let me tell you this. You see that Telegram, or what is called the Twitter, they can manipulate it. They can buy, purchase, they can use and pay people that they should comment, they should like their Twitter or something like that. So these people are very dangerous, and let's see, they can manipulate it. So let's go to another site again and check. The red flag is, if you see them, the top 10 people are holding more than 10%, don't buy. That is it. No matter how good the coin is, don't buy. This is a project, and everybody can create. Even you yourself, you can sit down and create a project and manipulate it. So this is the second website to check, and the name of the website is solanatracker.io. Now I check. So let's see what it gives me now. Wow. The ownership, look at this. Single person is holding 64%. This is a red flag. This is a red flag. The top 10 people are holding 71%. As I told you earlier before on the Telegram, if the top 10 are holding more than 15% or 10%, I am not buying the coin, no matter how good or beautiful the coin is. So let's quickly check other coin. Let's go back to our desk screener. So these people, they are very dangerous, and look at the way they pump it. One person will keep buying, we keep buying, we keep buying, buying and sell, buying and selling, buy and sell. Let's quickly check which one. Let's check this Dr. AI if it's actually good. According to Dr. AI, it has done 680. And did they have the websites? So okay, Dr. AI also have the website. So let's quickly go and audit it. As you can see, the risk score is 7/10. That is very dangerous. I don't know what's wrong with my internet. So the thing is, I am going to drop this part 2 of this video on how to show you good one, but as you can see just now, this is not good. My phone just hang now, so I can't continue. I will quickly do the second video now, so you can check back, you can check the next video to know, and I will show you everything you need to know.